Ulefone, a prominent name in the world of rugged smartphones, has unveiled his new creation, the Ulefone Power Armor 18T Ultra. The ultimately rugged smartphone featuring a FLIR thermal camera, this classic rugged device supports 5G on dual SIM cards with a MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor. It's water and dust resistant, IP68, IP69K, and meets military standard for shocks, falls, scratches, and extreme temperatures, MIL STD 810H. The standard feature of the FLIR thermal camera, which provides temperature readings day or night. With 12GB of RAM plus another 12GB virtual and 512GB expandable storage, it offers robust performance. The 6.58-inch FHD Plus IPS display has a 120Hz refresh rate, protect for Corning Gorilla Glass 5. A 9600 large mAh battery supports 66W fast charging, 50W wireless and 5W reverse charging, ensuring long usage times. Cameras include a 32MP Samsung front camera and a real quadruple setup, 180MP made Samsung FLIR Lepton, 3.5 thermal, 5MP wide angle and a 5MP super macro. Running on Android 13, it supports NFC, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth and FM radio, and features a side-mounted fingerprint reader and USB Type-C port. As for the price, the Ulefone Power Armor 18T Ultra will from November 11th. The price drop for just $333 from the first 100 buyers, so hurry up! The official sales links are below this video, be sure to visit it and grab yourself Power Armor 18T Ultra today while you have a chance. That's all for today, see you soon in a new video, bye!